rephrase. What speed limit were you doing?
35.
Oh, okay. If you're caught speeding, who's going to get the points on their license? No, I'm sorry, it's you. That's what your license is for. So it's provisional. It's not a full license, but it's still a license. And any endorsements will go directly on yours. You're going to have a black box and they're going to be messaging you, sending out your warnings. On Wednesday at 1:52, learners always think I'm going to take the rap. I'm not driving. I don't have a steering wheel. I don't even have a gas pedal. How you can blame me for speeding, I do not know.